Okay guys, so I just woke up, but Ty isn't waking up yet, so I'm gonna wake him up with a little surprise. Shh. Alright guys, so I have two parrots, and one's name is Pee-wee, and he's a Myers parrot, and he is highly aggressive, I'll put it that way. I've suited up and I'm ready to battle. Here at the Schaefer's house, we like to make arts and crafts, otherwise known as bodysuits for Ty, so he doesn't get killed by Pee-wee. And now, the competitor, fighting Pee-wee, Ty Baxter! Okay, just walk to the left. No, it's not to your left. Okay, moment of truth.
No, I can't see anything out of here. No, not yet, not yet. Not yet.
Too bad.
You just took a crap on your floor. That's what he says to your house.
Gosh dang it. Aww, he's so cute. He's a good bird. Bird.
Pee-wee,
I jumped.
Pee-wee, step up. Oh! Oh! Oh my God, Pee-wee! Pee-wee, are you okay? Good bird. Good bird. Good bird.
You wanna go back to your cage, Pee-wee?
Oh God, dude. He's looking at you. He's looking at you.
I'm gonna cry.
No! He's looking at me. He's flussing the feathers.
Oh, Dad, did you see that sick dunk?
Dude, I'm gonna be totally honest here. That was like a LeBron James.
Just make sure you get only like my torso in the shot, though, man. Because, you know, just don't look down. So whatever you do, don't look down.
That's like, dude, should I pop a wheelie?
I don't think that thing can pop a wheelie, Ty.
Oh yeah.
You can't do it, Ty, you're worthless. Oh! Impressive. Ty, where are you going?
I'm going home!
Okay. Okay. Get off the motorcycle! Whoa, Ty, you're so cool! That's.
I can make it right here. You think?
I think this is a terrible idea, but it is good content, so at the same time I don't really care. You best not break my bike or else you're buying me a new one.
God dang it! What do you want to do today? I'm pretty bored today.
Dude, after this we could go to like the pool.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Fight that. Fight that. What are you trying to do? What you trying to do? You trying to, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Beat it. Fight this. Oh, that's right. Oh, yes. Oh, he beat him. Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Gosh.
That boy don't want anymore. He don't want anymore. Get up. He don't want anymore. He don't want anymore.
Dude, did you just hear that?
Talk some shit.
Trash, man.
Beat his ass, man. It's the only thing you can do. Beat his ass. Beat his ass. Oh, that's right. Get back. Get back. Get back. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God. He's doing. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. He out. He out. Oh. 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 Oh my God. Oh my. Oh. Oh. Carson, that's considered like rape. We just basically broke. Dude, run. 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 Run.